Meet ShaggAi, where AI results take the shape you need. AI writes with familiar Markdown for clear structure. AI uses lists, bold text, and tables to make results easy to scan. Share visuals with ease. Display images in the chat, or present code inside focused editor boxes. Control lives in the context bar beneath the input. Switch between AI models, and choose the right mode for the job, action, web, or text. Let the web speak for itself. Embed Iframes in the chat to show live search results and interactive pages. That is today's quick tour of available output cards. More formats are on the way. ShaggAi. Flexible. Clear. Ready for your workflow.